Mr. Chair, the Office of the Transportation Security is the office that ensures the safety of all passengers.
Sino po yun?
Office of the Transportation Security.
So
OTF1,
is that under you? DOTR. Okay, DOTR.
DOTR. We invited Undersecretary Nieves po so that he could give light to.
Nasaan po si Yusek Nieves?
I was checking earlier today, Mr. Chair, but I think bago lang po na change po yung agenda natin. Kaya I think maghahabol po si Undersecretary Nieves dito po.
Okay, ganito na lang po, no? I want it ASAP. Lahat ng mga pasahero sa bus, bago sila sumampa, kahit man lang yung handheld metal detector. At ang gagawa niya yung mga security guard para naman maging kampante yung mga pasahero. Tama? Kasi may isang insidente sa norte na nagkaroon ng barilan sa loob ng bus. So with this, ma-ensure natin na walang sino mang pasaherong sasampa ng bus na mayroong bitbit na baril. May bitbit na kutsilyo. May bitbit na bomba, etc. So, I give you 1 week to comply, sir.